The choppiness index is an indicator used to determine if the market is going sideways, means it is choppy, or the market is trending, means not choppy. Choppiness indicator is not a directional indicator as it doesn't tell us about the uptrend or downtrend. It basically tells us about the trendiness of the market. The range for choppiness index is 0 to 100 and the input for the periods is 14. The upper and lower limits are set to the 61.8% and 38.2%. That are the important Fibonacci levels. If the indicator is above 61.8%, then the stock is in sideways move and in a choppy trend. And if the reading is below the 38.2%, the stock is trending. It means the closer to 100, the choppier is the market, and the closer to 0, the greater the trend. Now see in the chart, this is the choppiness index indicator and this is the area above 61.8%. This is a 61.8% line and this area above this line is called choppiness area. This is the choppiness area where we get prices move in a sideways trend. Now this is 38.2% line and below this line we are getting a trending area, means market is moving in a trend now. You can see this is the chart when choppiness index is moving in this area about 61.8%. Prices are in a range. They are moving in a range and market is choppy. But when choppiness index breaks below this 38.2% level, now market is in a uptrend. You can see prices are moving in an uptrend. Again here we get choppiness index above this 61.8% level, so we are getting a ranging market. Prices moves in a range, moving in a range, and when we get a breakdown below this 38.2% level, prices are in uptrend. We can go with the strategy here, buy or sell the stock or index which have extreme readings above 68.8% level and then break below that level. And when security starts moving in a trend, hold the position until choppiness index breaks above 61.8 level. This is an uptrend, so we can buy the index when we get a breakdown below this level, and we can hold the position until choppiness index breaks above 61.8 level. So we can buy here and exit here at this point. And if the choppiness index readings come back to 38.2 level twice or thrice after touching the 68.8% level, then it is a signal of strong trend. Now just see, we exit here. This was our exiting position, and we can again buy the stock when we get a breakdown below this 38.2 level. So we can buy here. Now see, choppiness index readings are touching this 61.8% level thrice. These are the positions and come back to 38.2% level here. It means it is a signal of strong trend, and you can see we are getting here a strong uptrend. And we can hold this buy position until choppiness index breaks above 61.8% level. The important thing to remember here is some stocks are highly volatile and doesn't respond accurately with choppiness index. So don't trade those stocks and filter out the stocks that give best response with the indicator, as we cannot force indicators to fit stocks that trade differently. Thanks for watching the lecture.